This was my first time river rafting, and our friends chose wolfpack rafting in Northrop, Colorado. After some quick paperwork and gear fitting, we received a safety briefing. This was followed by an even quicker paddling lesson. We then launched the boat and headed down the river. The first section is quite tame, but then it gets progressively more interesting. The rapids all have names, and I listed them as well as I could remember.
One! Forward two! Remember to hold on to your T-grip.
T-grip.
Forward one. Where we come up on this rock right here. Ah, we weren't supposed to hit it. Forward one. Forward two. No! Guys, watch out for this rock right here.
What rock? Pinball.
Forward two. No! Water, you're pushing us the wrong way. Back one. Forward two. Oh, it's really living up to its name.
It's like you ate.
I slid down, I gotta pull my foot out.
Huh? You started up, you need a hand?
Now we're just pinballing each other.
Forward two. We are
Nailing it.
Pinball.
and forward one.
Are we doing something wrong here?
No.
Is there a rock we didn't hit? I think we should go back.
Right in the face.
Yes, they tucked in tight. Forward two. So this rock on our left is Pinnacle Rock. Don't want to go over that right now. Forward one. And zoom FLUME is complete.
Oh, can we carry the boat back and do it again?
Yeah.
It's not heavy.
We have to throw in for another paddle high five.
Barely.
Forward one. That was the big drop.
Yeah.
Ah, you hit it perfectly.
Forward one. At least we can get 6, 7, and then a WIDOWMAKER.
Yeah.
Forward two.
That one?
Yeah!
I got it too.
Yeah, I got it in my face.
Forward one.
They just hit their first drop all day.
Amateur.
Amateur.
Forward two.
Oh, that was pretty good.
Forward 2. Yeah, right here swam someone yesterday.
Swam someone right there yesterday.
So that was the entry rapid. This is gonna be toilet bowl. Forward 1. Forward 2. Goes right into the toilet bowl, baby.
Yeah. That was awesome.
That's great.
1. Forward 1. Forward 2. So this is Widowmaker Falls. Forward 2. Got sunk on the rock. We just passed on our rights.
What was that on the right?
Forward 1. Good lean in, guys. So that big rock right there.
Yeah.
Let's y'all guys gonna hit these rocks real quick. So that big rock is the BFR, big fucking rock.
Okay.
And that is actually where a widow was made.
Oh, really?
Yep. Forward 1. Alright, cool.
Is that the whole of Widowmaker?
That was Widowmaker.
Woo!
So I'll bring it in for another paddle high five.
Yeah.
Real bad at this.
Forward 1.
On the rock.
Back 1, guys. Screw it. And then there is the Christmas tree.
Oh, yeah, solar lights.
Ready and go.
Forward.
Yep.
Woohoo! We just keep going? Yeah, there we go.
And that is going to be the last raft of the day, ladies and gentlemen.
Yay.
Whoa, hello.
Sorry.
Scared me.
High five first. I forgot.
Yeah, paddle high
High
five, guys.
five.
That was
We'll get Walter back.
Sorry.
That's Billy. Come on, Walter.
I highly recommend the company we used and the guide called Stone Thor. It was an incredible experience.